In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an individual account on TD Ameritrade. So it's a simple process and I'll break it down step by step. Although I can't show you directly how because of country restrictions because it's only available for US citizens. So listen carefully as I explain each steps. So now, make sure you are on the official website of tdameritrade.com and already log in with your credentials. So on the homepage, you can locate the open new account in here. So this is the open an account. So in here, click this individual brokerage. So this is if for personal use or where you'll be the only account holder. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page. So just click this get started button and you'll be needing to input your full name, date, birth, SSN, and your contact information. So make sure your information matches exactly with your documents to avoid any delays and then click continue. So once it's set up, so TD Ameritrades will ask you a few questions. Once you click the continue related to your financial background, such as your employment status, annual income, and your investment experience and objectives. So after that, you can now, assumingly we've finished this steps in here. So we are fully verified. Assumingly, now you can now choose your username and password and then you can now set up a security questions and make sure to select questions that are memorable for you. And then after that, agree to the terms and conditions and fund your account. So you can transfer money using bank transfer, wire transfer, and check deposit. So TD Ameritrade may also ask you to link a bank account if you haven't already done so. So after that, after submitting all your details and funding your account, you can click on the submit button to complete your application. So you may be asked to provide additional documentation if necessary for identity verification purposes. And once your account is set up, TD Ameritrade will send you a confirmation email and you'll also have access to the client agreement and other relevant documents in your TD Ameritrade account. And that's how you open an individual account on TD Ameritrade. It's a straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.